In this video I'm going to share with you 5 of the most useful and flexible Irish verbs that you probably don't use enough. If you would like to learn more about Irish words, verbs and phrases, then check out my YouTube channel Learn Irish and hit that subscribe button for lots of free and great videos. So let's get on with it. Our first verb is Bartek. Bartek means to organise, arrange or decide. Bartek. Bhartig sé rudí eile a dhéanamh. He decided to do other things. Bhartig sé rudí eile a dhéanamh. Our next verb is mull. Mull means to advise or to praise. Mull. Bhol ma athair dom dul chuig an dochtúr. My father advised me to go to the doctor. Bhol ma athair dom dul chuig an dochtúr. Next we have éintig. Éintig means to unite or to agree. Éintig. De réir cosúlachta déintig sé gan smaoineamh. To all appearances he agreed without thinking. De réir cosúlachta déintig sé gan smaoineamh. Our next useful verb then is luig. Luig means to list or to mention. Níor luig aon duine domsa é. Nobody ever mentioned that to me. Níor luig aon duine domsa é. Next we have taspáin. So taspáin means to show or to display. Taspáin. Haspáin sí crógacht mhór. She showed huge bravery. Haspáin sí crógacht mhór. I have another great video on verbs as well. It's called 15 of the most common Irish verbs. I'll leave a link in the description if you would like to check that out after this video. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you soon. Slán tamil.